Okay, this is the Ferrex foam sprayer. I'm going to try this on the old car first. I've filled it with some stuff, if you can see that. Excuse my heavy breathing, bad allergies. I'm going to start with the pump. Don't know if you can see me pumping. Can you see it? Maybe not. Just that. Right. It's certainly a lot more different from when it's got foam stuff in it compared to what it was in the shed. Don't know if you can see that. Bit of a bubble spray coming out of there. Is it tight enough? It's slimy. So we'll see how that goes, shall we? Make sure you got a. Yeah. So 3, 2, 1. Ah. Oh, is that it? Surely to God that's not it. Fucking hell. Wow. Okay. That level. Yes. Tight as tight can be. Let's see. Oh shit. Let's have a look. Again. Oh, what a crock of shit. What the hell is this? You've got to pump it as you go. And then don't bother buying it. Fuck. Nah. Oh, maybe I'm doing something wrong. I don't know what though. Oh my god. That's so crap. Sorry, but this is the biggest crock of shit I've ever spent 10 quid on. Oh my god. Awful. You see that? Gee. Oh, this is terrible. Awful. The biggest waste of money I've ever had seen. Easily the biggest tenner I've ever wasted. Is that right? Oh my lord. Fuck me. Excuse the swearing, but There's something wrong with this. It's so shit. It's unreal. Oh my god. My forearms are like Popeye by the time I finish this. Oh, this is giving up with it. Fuck. Fuck me. Oh my god. What the hell's wrong with this? I think I've got the receipt to take it back. Oh, I give in. The biggest crock of shit I've ever. Oh god. Fuck. That's the worst thing I've ever seen. Fuck. That's crap, I give in. So, that's that. So, shite. What do I say about that?
If any Mars, tap the box, peel the seal. What's inside could be a steal. Bits and bobs, cool little things. Unbox a little bit of everything within a Mars. Snap the clip, tear the tape. Every package a new escape. Tools and toys, big and small. Vinny Mars unboxes it all with Vinny Mars. Click to play, watch and see what surprises wait for me. Gadgets, gizmos, every